This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green chili at home. First, find a location that gets plenty of sunshine, ideally 6 to 8 hours each day. Next, choose a pot that drains well and is at least 6 inches deep, or prepare a suitable spot in your garden. Finally, gather your essential tools, your green chili seeds, a good potting mix, and a watering can. These initial steps are crucial for a successful chili harvest. Now, let's get those seeds in the ground. Fill your pot or garden bed with that excellent, well-draining potting mix we talked about. Plant your green chili seeds about 1/4 of an inch deep, spacing them roughly 2 inches apart. This gives them room to grow. After planting, give the soil a gentle watering. This helps settle the seeds and ensures they have good contact with the soil, which is key for them to sprout. Once your seedlings emerge, it's time for some tender, loving care. Water your plants regularly, aiming for consistently moist soil without making it soggy. About every 2 to 4 weeks, feed them with a balanced liquid fertilizer to encourage strong growth. As your chili plants mature and begin to bear fruit, they might need a little extra help. Consider using stakes to provide support, preventing them from toppling over under the weight of their delicious harvest. The most exciting part, harvesting your homegrown green chilies. Generally, your chilies will be ready to pick in about 60 to 90 days after you planted them. Look for a vibrant green color and your desired size. When you're ready to harvest, use sharp scissors or pruning shears. Snip the stem just above the fruit. This method helps prevent damage to the plant, encouraging it to produce even more delicious chilies for you to enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.